Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a Honda Accord 7th generation. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so even beginners can follow along easily. First, open the hood and remove the upper plastic cover. It's held in place by clips, so carefully pop them out and set the cover aside. Once that's removed, you'll get access to the inner bumper bolts. Next, move to both sides of the bumper. Here you'll usually find 10mm bolts, although sometimes there may be Phillips screws instead. Remove the fasteners on both sides carefully. After that, gently pull the bumper toward yourself. Don't worry if it feels tight at first. The bumper is still held by side clips, so it should slowly pop out from the mounts. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now move underneath the car. It's easier if you raise the vehicle slightly. Remove all the lower clips and fasteners holding the bottom of the bumper in place. Once everything underneath is disconnected, remove the remaining top bolts. At this point, the bumper is almost ready to come off, but be careful not to pull it too hard, because the fog lights and headlight washer hoses may still be connected. Before fully removing the bumper, disconnect all wiring connectors, fog lights, and washer lines carefully. After that, you can safely remove the bumper completely. And that's it! The front bumper is fully removed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more car repair and disassembly videos.